Hey everybody, I'm going to try my hand at restoring this old rocking chair. A friend of mine gave me a call and has some problems. So we are going to take a look at it here. So it's a real pretty chair. You can kind of see it looks like it's leather, and this all needs to be refinished. So we're going to try to get some leather, clean it up. It looks really good from this position, but what happened is somebody had leaned way back on it and broke both legs off the back. So these would have gone like something like that. So you can kind of see they've been broke for a while. It was probably what it went on this one here. So it would have fit in there, but when they did that, it also broke this whole section right here. So what the game plan is I'm going to try to, first of all, see if I can glue this all back up and secure it with screws so that I can fill in those holes later. Assuming I can get that safe, because if that's not safe, I can't do much with it. Then I'm going to basically have to replace these rungs. So that's the trick here, is I've got to cut those off, reshape them out of new wood. And you can kind of see here it's broke. It really took some use when it broke. But it does appear to be worth saving. So we are going to try to save it. I can't believe how nice this thing turned out. Just look how beautiful it is. These rockers were broken badly and multiple times. They were broke right here. This whole back was broke off. So it just fall right back on itself. So I beefed them up. So I made them thicker and wider, and I'm reinforced them so that hopefully that won't ever happen again. And then I noticed that it was really dry, and red mahogany stain, look at that, just made it pop. And then I was able to use this stuff. What is that? Black Rock leather conditioner to try to make the leather pop and look a lot smoother and not so cracked. And then this was I used ash wood, which is extremely hard for the legs, which is good, but I couldn't get it to match. I had 6, 7, 8 coats of stain, and then we got this stuff. This is called Stain Poly, and look at that. It's just beautiful. I mean, it turned out, it matches. It's a lot more robust. The legs are more robust as compared to the hands, so it's more proportional. And hopefully this thing will last another 100 years. I'm just so pleased. These are fun projects. Glad it turned out. Yeah, this is the side here that was completely broken. This was completely destroyed. I was able to put screws, and I put caps in it here so you can't even tell. Look at that. Just beautiful. Moment of truth. See if this thing rocks or not. Oh, wow. How far back can I go? Well, you gotta really try to go back. Look like that is nice. Look at that. Woohoo!